Hey friends! Elevate your driving experience with these top-tier AI assistants, blending cutting-edge safety, intelligent monitoring, and seamless vehicle integration technology. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car AI driving assistant in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Pelsee Car AI Driving Assistant. This sophisticated mirror system prioritizes your safety by integrating a proactive collision avoidance suite. It alerts you to potential forward collisions, lane deviations, and nearby pedestrian activity, significantly boosting driver awareness. The 4K UHD front camera utilizes advanced WDR technology to maintain razor-sharp clarity, effortlessly neutralizing blinding headlight glare or harsh sunlight. High-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity ensures your footage transfers rapidly to your mobile device. Voice commands provide a convenient, hands-free experience while navigating traffic. Complete with integrated GPS tracking, included storage, and robust 24-hour parking surveillance, it serves as a highly reliable guardian for your vehicle during both routine commuting and extended road trips. Next up, our second product, the Pelsee Car AI Driving Assistant. Achieving crystal-clear imagery is effortless with this system, which features a 4K HDR front camera designed to manage extreme lighting environments. Its 1080p WDR rear camera perfectly balances shadows and highlights in tunnels or fog. Equipped with a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor and AI-powered night vision, it renders vivid color footage even in complete darkness or dimly lit garages. The ADAS suite acts as a vigilant co-pilot, offering timely, accurate alerts regarding vehicle movement and lane positioning. You can manage recordings via responsive voice controls, ensuring your eyes remain on the road. With lightning-fast data transfers, reliable parking monitoring, and a user-friendly interface, it offers professional-grade security and modern convenience for every driver. Coming in at number 3, the Hupajo's Car AI Driving Assistant. The V8 Ultra sets a new standard by providing comprehensive 360-degree, 5-channel coverage, ensuring absolutely no blind spots remain around your vehicle. Its multi-lens system allows for exceptional flexibility, while the specialized interior cameras are perfect for keeping a watchful eye on children or pets. The standout AI driver monitoring system intelligently detects signs of fatigue, phone distraction, or drowsiness, actively encouraging safer habits behind the wheel. Exceptional night vision, paired with a CPL filter, guarantees pristine video quality by eliminating unwanted reflections and glare. With 5 GHz connectivity, consistent GPS tracking, and comprehensive parking protection, this powerful unit offers an all-encompassing security solution that provides total peace of mind. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Bots-Lab Car AI Driving Assistant. This premium dash cam captures stunning, high-fidelity footage using a high-performance Sony IMX415 sensor for both the 4K front and 2K rear views. Whether in broad daylight or pitch-black darkness, the recorded details, including distant license plates, are remarkably sharp and easy to identify. Its integrated ADAS technology actively monitors your surroundings, providing crucial warnings for lane departures, sudden forward movement, and pedestrian risks. The sophisticated supercapacitor design ensures long-lasting durability, even in extreme, fluctuating temperatures. With continuous loop recording, GPS route tracking, and a seamless 24/7 parking mode, this feature-rich system is an incredibly dependable asset for modern drivers seeking enhanced safety and consistent documentation. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the LED-Tree Car AI Driving Assistant. This innovative 11.5-inch portable display serves as a massive upgrade, providing a crisp, expansive touchscreen interface without obstructing your critical view of the road. It offers a smooth, plug-and-play experience for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to easily access navigation and streaming apps. Beyond the display, it functions as a dual-camera system, capturing reliable 4K front and 1080p rear footage to protect you in any weather. With flexible audio output options, including FM and Bluetooth, integrating sound into your existing stereo is seamless. It is a highly versatile, feature-packed solution that perfectly modernizes the dashboard of any vehicle, regardless of its age or original factory capabilities. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.